you float down at the top and then push to the front to go into the overhand 4-petal. And then once again, from the top, go down and pull to the back to go to underhand. You float down and then you push forward to go into overhand. So once you're here, float down, bring it to the front pedal in the overhand 4-petal. And then similarly, when you're in overhand, float to the back, down, and push it to the back to come into the underhand. So front, down, push forward to overhand, and then back, down, push backward to underhand. And front, down, push forward to overhand, and back, down, push backward to underhand. And down in the front, push forward to overhand, and down in the back, push backward to underhand, and down in the front, push forward to overhand, and down in the back, pull backward to underhand. I'm not sure if it registers as a pull or a push for you. I feel like I could look at it either way depending on which part of the rotation I'm looking at. So I'm coming around like this, and then going up, circle, and then float down. Circle, float down, then pull back, come around, and circle, float down from the front, push forward. And circle, down in the back, pull back, and circle, come down in the front, push forward. And circle, down and back, pull back, and circle, down in front, push forward. And circle, down and back, pull back, and come up, circle, float down, push forward. And around the back, down and back, pull back, and around in front, pull down and push forward. And around the back, you're going to float down, pull to the back, and then come around the front, float down. Okay, from underhand, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, back up, float down in the front, push forward and around, and then come around, circle, float down in the back, pull to the back position, and come around in underhand. Then circle at the top, float down in front, push forward, up, back, down, front, circle up, float down, pull back, up, front, down, back, up, circle, float down in front, push forward, and around the top, come around again, circle in the back, float down, push back, or pull back, and then circle in the front, float down, push forward, up, back, down, front, and circle back, down, and come around in underhand, float down, push forward, around, circle up top, and push to the back, or pull to the back, whatever you're feeling. Float, back, float, and around, and float to the front. Last one, around, and last one, circle, back, and come around in underhand to the bottom.